G is for goose, honking loud and clear. H is for hawk, hunting without fear. I is for ibis, with the long curved beak. J is for jay, with the call so unique. K is for kingfisher, diving for a treat. L is for lark, with the melody so sweet.